Okay. Puppies. Puppies. Little puppies. Wake up. You're on the camera. Puppies. Puppies. Wake up, puppies. Watch out. She's coming in. You coming in, Miss Addie? Puppies. That ought to wake you up. Wake up, Miss Puppies. Come on. Move around so Rachel can see you. Move around so Rachel can see you, Miss Sophie. Where's Miss Sophie? Mr. Waldo. Mr. Baxter. Puppies. Come on. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where's your toys? Where's your toys? Puppies! Wake up, puppies! Woohoo! Wake up, puppies! Come on, guys. You're being sleepyheads. Come on. Get in there, Addie. Get in there with your puppies. Puppies! Puppies! Go see your puppies. Go see your babies. Go see your babies, Addie. Come on. Puppies! Wake up! Y'all not moving around much. Come on now. There you go. Show them who the boss is. Y'all sleepyheads. Okay, Rachel. They're 4 weeks old yesterday. There goes one. You see how good they can crawl. They play with their toys. They play with each other. They outgrew their other bed, so we bought them a pool to hold them in. But got one of them already about to crawl out of it. There he goes. They chew on each other's ears. They chew on each other's tails. Hey! Hey, Miss Sophie! That is Miss Sophie right there. That one right there is Miss Sophie. Hey, Sophie, got your tongue out? Hey, Miss Sophie. That's Miss Sophie. And this one chewing on the cow, I think is Waldo. And I think this is Baxter. I think. I don't know. I'll know when they get up because Waldo don't have much white on his chest. But Baxter does. Look there. There she is. There's your mommy. Hi, Miss Addie. Hi, Miss Addie. Hi, Miss Addie. Oh, I knew that wasn't going to last long. Okay. So anyway, this is what they're doing. Standing up, walking around, playing in their bathtub. Their little swimming pool. Sleeping, eating, tussling, chewing on stuff. Every once in a while they bark. That's mean, huh? Shake the tub around. That's mean. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, Miss Sophie. Waldo. Waldo. He's busy playing over there, or he's stuck. Can't figure out which. He might be stuck. It was so funny. They walked backwards in this tub before their legs would go where they told them to go. It was cute. They're not hardly puppies no more. They're getting big. Hey, Waldo! Sophie there. He's good looking. I should turn this off and take a picture. That's a cute shot with you, that teddy bear right there. I mean, that cow. Okay. One last close-up. Baxter. You're lazy this afternoon. Bye, Miss Sophie. Bye, Miss Sophie. See y'all. That's it. Bye.